Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha umsau mat klenti shoban poi tersan bala penya da ka senjuk ma plang.
Ïawmusiang shopping complex kari ka way na kiyo barimba por rilum jaintia kabla penya da ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka jing train na ka menta ka building ba Thymmai kala sateng menta da ki postnam don ki benta ba ka building kala yeng don pat ki benta ki bampat yeng building la shu e khong reng tangkin na rot bat sop sanyum. Dangshan kala don ka jingwan hiar jurep ya kani ka shopping complex da u MLA ka Juwai constituency uba wailat miki shilla rengkat u Dr. D. Vijay Kumar Commissioner Secretary Katnat Finance. Haka khatnyo tarik urisau arja arpulai la yo banya kran bat u menteri rangba do ka sarkar jela u konrat kesang ma lambat u menteri ka than uba wailat miki haka por baki lagi hiar jurep ya ka Juwai Civil Hospital hayalong. Nakaliang wailat miki shilla uloong baladon ka jing tumuban beteng biang ya ka jing pentray ya ka yo henry namar day ka bala sa teng da bones nam ulas ngodan kam ban pej benya ya ka jing long jing man kinar ka tan rai lani ka foundation shwaban sedang ya chkmat ya ka jing tray uloong ru makumma ka long menta kidang ap ya ka Kaiphod na ka IIT Guwahati shwaban penkre ya ka mang pisa ne ka jing lot jing sab Thymmai namar ka bamen shwabat ka bamenta kam ya hap shu bar hadin bala dep penkre ansa Khot da ka waypat ka tendar.
Last time Dr. Vijay came, the Commissioner of Finance. So we came here because we were waiting for that report from this IIT Guwahati because we, like last time we discussed with you, will continue the work, sir. So, but we have to check how strong are those because they have been left out foundations and all. So we were waiting for the report and the report has come. So now at that time only we have directed the PWD department that they will prepare the fresh estimate because the estimate has changed because that was the previous one. So now we have directed the department to prepare fresh estimate and then we'll call the tender. That was there.
Haba benrap halor kini umentri rang ba do ka jela konrad konkal sang mau laong kanu ka jing ai jing mut ba wan nau MLA haba ya day bat kinu ki mat ka Juwai constituency an le ya kata kat kum ka jing ai jing mut jong u bat banele ban pen biang ru ya kinu ki mat jing don kam kun thop ru ha ka ba day bat ka Ïawmusiang shopping complex.
And I can just add to this that whatever recommendations and suggestions come from the local MLA for any of the other issues that are there in Juwai constituency, we will be taking it up the matter, and as per his suggestions, whatever requirements are there, we will fulfill the requirements for the Ïawmusiang shopping complex also, and even for other areas also. I urge that if there's anything issue that has to be brought out, our local MLA is there, it can be approached and the issue can be brought to us if there are any issues that are there or concerns that are there.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.